We are working on Octorings. This is the assembly process. This is the Adams unit going to Berkeley. So I thought I'd go over some of the attributes. There were several threaded holes in the thing that we had to fill, so I put on a bunch of threaded fasteners here and filled all the holes. I put 6mm ports in. This is the receiver unit, and then this over here is the light source unit with all the parts in place. Just gotta connect up. But you can see that let's see here, if I go like this, you can see I put a 3/4 inch gap here because this part could get very hot and we don't want these sensitive components to get very hot. Later I'll put the MCU there, and then I'll build the enclosure around it. But I call this the floor. I call this the core. These are offset plates. And I can say that I designed this. I didn't make this piece. It's powder coated in black. I designed this. I didn't make this. It's powder coated in black. I did design this and I fabricated that. I also fabricated this. Designed and fabricated all these components and these components. So some of the things we're going through here are will it handle the temperatures? So far it's handled the temperatures just fine. Is it electrically sound? Well, that's being looked at. The highest voltages in this device are 12 volts. It comes in as 12 volts and gets reduced down to 5 volts and 3 volts at times. We route the wires so they don't come in contact with the core. The core can get extremely hot and it shouldn't be a problem. I just put the MCU on here with its mounting assembly. So there are some wires that will go right up to the receiver module. And this is everything that gets attached to the core at this point. If we were putting TEGs on, they would go right here. But the University of Berkeley did not ask for those. So you can see why there's mounting points for those. But we just didn't put those on. So this is the assembled core. Now we'll work on the enclosure.
Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.